we've been redoing the laundry room, and we pulled up the floor and the baseboards and stuff, and I guess we've had a mouse in the laundry room because doing all the stuff, see how like the floor's concrete now, I guess doing all that has made the mouse move, and the mouse is now behind the refrigerator, and he has been here for hours, and he has been at the china cabinet because the mouse had run under there and then ran behind the refrigerator, and because everything is moved around right now, he's pulled out, I guess trash has gotten knocked under that, like the clip was under the china cabinet, that paper towel was in the china cabinet, and the trash can is normally in the laundry room, but we've had to move it, and he keeps like knocking into it, and I don't know if the mouse goes in there or not, but he just won't move. He will not leave this area, and he never hardly goes in this area because he hates the washer and dryer noise. Are you in your window? Are you in the window? Yeah. Yeah. Did you venture into the hallway twice today? Yes, you did. Yeah. Are you looking for Genji? Because you saw he was outside. Yeah, you saw he was outside. Okay, are you going to venture out again? Okay. She just keeps going in and out of this room to the other bedroom, but if I follow her in there, she runs out, so I like kind of stay, but then she comes like right back out, and I can't go in there with her because she'll run right back out. Yep, see, there she comes. She's done this all morning, in, out, and I have to stay either here or in the hallway. If I go in the living room, she comes back in here. If I go in there, she comes back in here. But she seems, I mean, she's moving around. In she goes. There's her tail. In she goes. Out she comes. Yeah, to the window. Look at all the blackbirds taking a bath. Look at this little face in the window. Look at him. What you doing? Are you waiting? Are you waiting for me to come in? Fungus update. And it is now my cotton. And it's still everywhere. And yes, I should probably clean it up, but I'm weird and it fascinates me. Oh, I came in to start her leash training, and she was playing with her ball. You're just a whole nother cat today. Yeah. I don't know, I'm trying a new feeding technique where I'm not free feeding, but I am leaving the food out for an hour. I talked to some people and they said sometimes it's difficult for them because they're used to it. So I'm moving to feeding her 3 times a day and leaving it out for an hour, and then we'll, after several days, it'll be 45 minutes, and then 30. I'm also switching their kind of food, but I had to order it because I don't live anywhere. I mean, we have Walmart. Walmart does not have the kind of food that I want to start feeding them. I did order at Prime, but some of it, even though it said Prime, is not going to be here in 2 days. So they're still eating the old food. Hello. Do you want to wear this? Yeah. Here, come on. And I know it's tacky, but it's Lagatha's first one, and it's all here. Put your foot in. Put this on. Put this on. Like this. And then. There we go. There we go. And snap it together. Oh my goodness. Oh, she is doing that thing. Oh, that's what Lagatha did. Oh, he's alright. You just have to wear it for a couple minutes. Yeah, I was really hoping she'd be... Some cats don't... Oh my goodness. She went crazy. Like, I had to leave the room and let her work herself. She jumped, she spit, she hissed. She went from here. See how the mirror... She went behind the mirror. She lost it. I've never seen that happen before, so we may have to rethink this. Oh.